Hi, my name is Renen Bautista. I'm a hair and makeup artist for 12 years now. I also do a lot of corporate events. I do production, like stage manager. It's always busy. It's a fast-paced environment for me. Pag talagang nasa event ka, sobrang daming nangyayari. Sobrang stress mo all over ka the place, no? So pagdating talaga dito sa bahay, talagang completely wala na akong gagawin. I give my 100% outside with my friends or with work. Pagdating dito, I give it to myself only. Kasi parang for me, sa sobrang busy mo sa trabaho, sobrang pagod mo, gusto mong pag-uwi mo talaga na, kumbaga yun na lang yung parang gift mo sa sarili mo for working so hard, na makakapag-relax ka, makakapag-unwind ka, na you don't have to go to restaurants or to book a hotel just to be relaxed, diba? At least, this is your home, you're very comfortable here, and I treat my place as a sanctuary or where I can just rest and relax and I don't think of anything. The only time I bring work here in my place is kung kailan ako nagpe-prep, naglilinis ng gamit, or nag-microblading ako. Yun lang yung time talaga na dinadala ko yung work ko dito pag nag-clean up ako talaga ng aking mga stuff sa makeup. And it's always a treat for me na mag-isa ako, wala ko iniisip na ibang bagay. If I'm not working naman, I love going to the movies. I love working out naman. I always go to the gym, I do calisthenics. Okay, I love to eat out. I love eating and trying new restaurants. Sobrang love kong kumain. If I am home, okay, of course, number one, cleaning is my hobby. So linis lang ako ng linis, organize lang ako ng organize, or kaya pag may mga bagay akong hindi na nagagamit for like 6 months or 3 months, tinatapon ko na talaga siya. Or sometimes, lagi ako nanonood ng movies dito sa bahay. And also, siyempre, social media, pamparelax ko din siya. Also, I love doing a lot of renovation. Kasi before, nung nasa States ako, my father and I, carpentero po ako. Hindi po natatanong, carpentero po talaga ako. So, we do a lot of renovation in the States. So, mga inside renovation lang naman siya. So, doon ako natuto. So, now, may mga stuff kasi ako na gusto talaga, like sa social media ko lang nakikita, tapos hindi ko talaga siya makita dito. So, ang gagawin ko, I'll do it on my own. So, DIY talaga siya. Like, itong table, coffee table na to, I made this, and I'm proud of it. Even I'm renting this place, talagang ginastos ako talagang pina-renovate ko talaga siya on my own expense. Well, of course, siyempre, you will feel at home pag ikaw mismo nag-design ng bahay mo. You know, the way I set up this condo, this is really me. This is really home for me.